Okay, now we'll start reading. Today is small letter, okay? What is this?
By A.
Very good. What is this?
By B.
Very good. What is this?
G.
Very
By G.
Yes. What is this? What is this? What is this?
Yes, just this.
What is this? Tell me. Small d.
By D.
What is this? What is this? कह दे मामा को आसे एटा
What is this?
टेल मी गुडा भलो से कह गुडा
The tree. Sir?
कौन एटा
What is this?
What is this? Tell me गुडा you know this. Small e.
By E.
What is this?
By F.
Very good. What is this?
By D.
Small g. Very good. What is this?
By D.
Small h.
By H.
What is this?
I.
Very good. What is this?
J.
What is this?
K.
What is this?
B.
L. Small l.
By L.
What is this?
N.
What is this? Small n.
By N.
Very good. What is this?
O.
What is this?
What is this?
Small p.
By P.
What is this?
What is this?
Small q.
By Q.
What is this? Small r.
By R.
What is this?
S.
What is this?
By F.
Small t.
By T.
What is this?
What is this?
Small u.
By U.
What is this?
B. B. B.
What is this?
W.
What is this?
X-ray.
Okay, this is X, okay. What is this? What is this? Tell me. Small y.
By Y.
What is this?
Z.
Where?